What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or night, depending where you're at, but hope it's awesome. And yes, we're back at it today to talk more about crypto, to talk more about the markets. I just want to say Merry Christmas Eve. Christmas is right around the corner. Best time to spend time with your family, your loved ones. Hope everyone's ready. Obviously, the markets are still going. Crypto never sleeps. Crypto's out there rocking and rolling. Even the stock market's open today. We're right at that 10 o'clock dump right now. This is that time where you're going, wait a second. Do I get out of my longs? Do I stay in my leveraging plays? What do I do? You guys know I'm actually still in my leverage plays from last night. My leverage calls are still going on right now. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to cash out or what I'm going to do, but I'm still holding on to it. Probably should cash out. Probably got close to it, but we'll see what happens here. I'm going to let it probably ride a little bit longer. Maybe we get this little Christmas rally here on December 24th and 25th. And go from there. But we're going to talk about some of the other cryptos here. Shout out to Sentinel. Sentinel is almost a $4 million raised on the pre-sale. There's only like 6 hours left in the pre-sale, which is wild to think. Crazy 30 days for Sentinel to be able to do what it did. XCL doing phenomenal, up literally almost a 500. I'm a 5x up on Exceller again. Exceller's killing it. So the people that know, obviously it's doing phenomenal right now. And shout out to the whole XCL Mafia. But before we jump into everything here, I want to say what's up to the A-Team over here on the TikTok side. What's up, everyone? Over on the YouTube, we got Tim Shea. We got the Mayor of Crypto first in the house here. Appreciate you, my guy. We got Crypto Keeper Joel. What's up, Crypto Keeper Joel? Tony Punch. What's up, buddy? Ashley Hills in the house here. What is going on? Ozax, what's up? Outdoor Nature Show. F Joe. What's going on, guys? Tall Paul's in the house here. Double D's. Texas Made Randy. Good to see you guys. We got Michael in the house here. BP. LTJ, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Observer Dude's in the house here. Rob the Plumber, what's up, man? XCL's pumping. XCL's pumping pretty good right now, dude. Like, no joke. XCL's on a warpath. Looking pretty good. We got Guy in the house here. What's up, Guy? Got Alex. Good to see you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you guys being here. Final hour, no rewinds. Hell yeah, dude. We got Jen Deb in the house here. What's up, Deb? Good to see you. Santa's approaching to the end of the pre-sale phase. It is, dude, on the edge of the pre-sale, dude. Who's buying Powerball? I am buying Powerball. I hope everyone here goes out and buys a Powerball ticket. You just never know. You can't win unless you play, right? So, I mean, that's just kind of what it comes down to. We got Jorge. What's up, Jorge? Hope all is well. Hope your daughter is feeling better. General Mafia. What's up, buddy? Crypto Bipto's in the house here. Good to see you guys. Trent, appreciate you being here, man. All right, I'm scrolling fast now. I'm scrolling a little faster before we jump into it. Scott, good to see you guys. All right, we got appreciate the giveaway here, dude. We got another 5 gifted memberships by Tim Shea, the Mayor of Crypto, out here giving away another 5 gifted members. So again, if you got gifted membership by Tim, please say thank you to Mr. Shea. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A-Team. As you guys know, I will be doing a giveaway today. I'm probably just going to do one giveaway for $500. Yesterday was a little extreme with the $100 for all the giveaways there. I know some people appreciate it, but I'm like, you know what, dude? Like, it's a lot easier when you do one giveaway for that. And yeah, we're going to continue to give one away here. $500. We'll do it somewhere in the middle of the stream here and go from there. So yeah, appreciate that a ton, dude. Blessings to you as well, Cal. We got what's an amazing Christmas Eve morning, A-Team. Yeah, it's amazing to be here with you guys. Couldn't be more appreciative of each and every one of you. We got another couple more. We got Mike in the house here. Thank you so much for gifting 10 memberships to A-Team. If Mike gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Mike. And again, thank you so much, man, for all your guys' kindness and gifting these out to people. These memberships are $2 each, right? I mean, just to get into the Discord and to be included on the giveaway, you got to be in my Discord. You got to be a verified member there and a member of the team here. So you guys are getting some chances to be a part of this, dude. And Outdoor Nature, thanks so much for, again, 10 gifted memberships to the A-Team. You guys are phenomenal, man. Holding it down for the A-Team as always gifting out. So kind, so caring. I couldn't be more appreciative of all you guys in this chat, dude. Always holding it down and being a part of this. Again, couldn't be more appreciative. And lastly, Tim Shea out here gifted 5 more memberships. If Mr. Shea, the Mayor of Crypto, gifted you a membership, please say thank you to that guy. And I couldn't be more appreciative of you, man. Always hold it down as the mod of this channel. Always showing up and showing out every one of you guys. So let's jump into it. We got some things to discuss here. Here we go. Rocking and rolling now today on December 24th. You can see Bitcoin is really flat, dude. Actually, not too bad. Last 24 hours is by 0.06% down over the last 24 hours. 0.73% up in the last 7 days. You're talking 7 days of flatness. I mean, it's been flat. Like, it's ready to break out. A lot of these cryptos are feeling like that. Even XRP, Ethereum, really flat over the last 24 hours, 0.43%. XRP, 0.94%. going down just a little bit right now. You can even see the BNB is kind of flat. Everything across the board has actually been kind of flat. The volatility has slowed down just a tad bit here. Acceler really flat as well. Our baby H bar has been super flat as well. I mean, 0.1% down right now. And you guys know at the 10 o'clock marker on PST standard time, we tend to have these massive sell-offs or manipulation in the market, and it's kind of looking like we might be hedging that way right now. 10 o'clock has kind of been like that over the last couple of weeks, or last couple of days. I mean, it's been definitely hitting around 10. Right when I get on stream, we seem to go down on the markets. It's like this plug gets pulled. But you can see right here that roughly we can see the S&P 500 closed at another fresh record. So the S&P 500 closes today. It's an early day for the stock markets. They opened up early, or they opened up normal time, but they closed early. They closed at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 10 a.m. my time. And as you can see, the S&P 500 closed at another record high of 22.26. Dow's up 228, and the Nasdaq's at 54 points right now. So things are looking pretty good. We had some good numbers coming in for the job data. Things are actually lining up pretty damn good going into 2026. Like I think a lot of us are excited about that. We still in buying opportunities? I think so. We're definitely in what they call the accumulation phase. Santa giving away cent this year to everyone that's been good. Hell yeah, dude. What's up with the big dog? It's looking like a good day for Acceler. Yeah, shout out to XCL, dude. XCL is doing phenomenal right now, dude. Look at this, guys. Up 48.27% from right now. It's trending top 10, sitting at 0.0056. It's literally a 5x. I was just looking at my bag today. You guys know my wallet's out there. I mean, I'm up, $116 right now, $116,000 in my Acceler. Acceler has been by far one of the best performing assets. It's only been out for 2 months, going on 3 months. It's been one of the best performing assets in 2025. I mean, it got launched in Q4, which has been the worst year for crypto, or which has been one of the worst quarters for crypto. Obviously with all the liquidation events, and it's still a new project holding on strong, and it's holding on strong because of a strong community. It's got great fundamentals, and it's got a project with Cent coming up behind it here that I think is going to bring a lot of value to the project itself. And as you can see right now, Cent has roughly 5 hours left, 5 hours, 50 minutes before this pre-sale ends, roughly 3.787 million raised as of right now. 35,000 going to burn XCL. You got almost 60,000 going to burn Sentinel, and you got 23,000 that's going to holders in terms of ETH rewards. So a lot of things are happening here with this basically this ecosystem that's been created here. And I think the people that are in on these ecosystems, they're here for it, man. And you couldn't be more excited about it than right now. So yeah, super, super excited for where XCL is. It's good to see this actually climbing back up. It'd be amazing if it got back to a cent, dude. We're halfway there, but that would be a crazy feat to get back there. And I think we can. I think with the Sentinel coming out there, we're going to be seeing burns coming here. We're going to see XCL getting burned at real time with anything that the bot generates. I think that there's just some really good fundamentals behind it. And, it is. I think a lot of people that bought into the pre-sale of XCL, it's probably one of their largest bags out there. It is for me in terms of this in 2025. Like I haven't bought a ton of things in 2025, but I mean, you go back and look at all the assets out there. They're just not they're not the greatest right now, and it's just is what it is. I mean, look at H bar. H bar is down pretty good. People bought XRP at a certain price, and they're down. So, yeah, I can see this looking good. If your computer, click the circle and what are we talking about, Scott? I might have missed something here. Justin, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. It's Justin. I don't know why I was saying that. Justin, thank you so much. Definitely go join that Discord, bro. And welcome to the A-Team. Man, ETH has been strong as shit during these downturns. It really has. I mean, go back and look at, let's actually take a look at ETH. I mean, ETH has actually been doing pretty good in the downtrends. I mean, it's come down, but it's held pretty strong here. And right now, the 4 hours at the bottom, you know what I mean? The hours obviously up at the top here, 4 hours down, the 12 hours working its way down here, but I think it's probably going to probably going to bounce back here. I'm hoping for with tomorrow. We got the day at the bottom still trying to build out. Usually this will tend to hopefully build back up here. We got the Santa rally potentially coming tomorrow. We have almost 2 days in the red now after a nice little rally with the green. So I'm hoping that we break out of this, at least for ETH. XRP is coming down. My BTCC right now, I think I don't know where I'm at. Let's take a look. I haven't looked at, I looked this morning, I was in the green, but I haven't touched it since. So I'm actually down. Okay. So H bar, I'm down about $90, XRP, I'm down about $48, Solana, I'm up about $55. And then my ETH, I'm down about $10. So yeah, nothing too crazy. I'm just going to keep it where it's at right now. I'm not going to touch any of my long positions. I'm gonna gamble a little bit here, or I wouldn't say gamble. I'm just literally trying to leverage some fun into this. So we'll see what happens here. But it is kind of wild to see this, that the S&P 500 continues to break this. That's 18 trillion market cap since the April 2025 button has gone into the S&P 500. Crazy thing to actually see the S&P 500 continue to climb like this. So yeah, kind of wild, dude. XCL kicking butt, absolutely is, dude. Wait till that 36K buy will be close to 1 cent. I think so, dude. There's a good chance that we can get up there. I'm scared. XA is doing it. XCL is doing it, man. That my portfolio is looking like Jake Paul right after his jaw broke. Oh my god, dude. Oh, dude, awesome. That's funny, dude. What's up, Tommy Savage? Good to see you, buddy. Selmo Fudd. What's up, Selmo? Good to see you, buddy. Eye issues. I hope you're getting better, bro. I love finding you on all the crypto lives. Also, Merry Christmas. Oh, you must be talking to someone. Let's see, Guy. The jobs data showed a weakening in the U.S. job market with slower growth, a rising unemployment rate, and significant job losses in the same month. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. I mean, there's always negatives to the positives and vice versa. Like I'm bringing in the 2026 in the positive side, dude. How much cent did you buy? Right now, I'm sitting at 21,000 for cent. I was trying to buy more. I want to buy more, but I'm trying to allocate some funds and see where it goes. XCL pumping right now before cent final sale. Just picked up some cent for last night. Very excited. All right, Dave. I see you, man. I'm running around for some last minute festivities. Hubby, oh man, hubby Ubering. Yeah, I get you, Jen. I get you. We're running. Well, as soon as I get off my live here, we got a few more things we got to actually jump on board too. Zach has been the strongest asset of them all. XCL Mafia. What's up? Or what's up, Jorge? Yeah, good to see you, man. Austin, what's the protocol for getting into the Discord once you're a member? I was instantly sent two from, definitely not me, dude. I wouldn't send you a friend request unless I'm trying to pay you money. So, yeah, definitely click off those things. What's up, Michaela? Dang, I haven't seen you in a while, man. Hope all is well on your side. We got Michaela Rose over here on the TikTok side. I haven't seen her for a while. Washingtonian up in the house here. Good to see you. Hope all is well. Merry Christmas to you. Let's see here. You put in as much cent as you did XCL. Yeah, I did. I did the same. Pretty much the same across the board, dude. Merry Christmas to you and your family. You too, Marty. Merry Christmas to you as well and your family. Wouldn't be surprised if cent surpasses XCL in the 35X. You think 35X? All right. Oasis is a solid one. Okay. Outdoor Nature. That's a scale. Yeah. To get into the Discord, you got to go over and where it says start here. And then you click start here. And after you click start here, you'll go down and you'll see the rules. Go down to the very bottom of the rules. And then you'll click on that you accept the rules. And then you'll go and you can open up all the other stuff. So new swarm protocol page next to the hive. I know. Outdoor Nature. This is, be careful for that for sure. Won't be surprised if Cent does a third. That'd be crazy if it does 35X, dude. Insane. So we saw that with the S&P 500. What's even crazier about this, dude, is that gold just hit 45,000 for the first time in history, and it's up 71% in 2025. Gold has added nearly 13 trillion to its market cap in a single year, which is insane. That's unheard of. I mean, that's very uncommon to actually see that. Silver just hit $72, up about 148% in 2025, and now is the world's third largest asset. The U.S. S&P 500 just gave its daily close in history. It's up almost 43% from April's 2025 crash. But Bitcoin, it's down roughly 30% from its all-time high in October, down roughly 13% in 2025, and is about to close its worst Q4 in the last 7 years, dude. While every other asset class is exploding and making historic highs for months, Bitcoin is barely holding support. And again, it's kind of wild to see this, and it's kind of upsetting to be honest with you. If I had to sit back and actually think about this, it is upsetting, especially if you're in crypto and you like this tech and you like to be in this side of the sector, and to see everything else around you, but while your assets are declining, it does kind of suck. Like, you're sitting here and you're kind of deflated by some way, and you come over here and you see this. I mean, look at this. This is what's crazy about this, is that this is the first year. This is the worst performing. Crypto is the worst performing asset class in 2025. Look at Bitcoin, dude. Every single year, there's been a massive return throughout the years, right? Whether it's a small percentage or whatever it might be, but Bitcoin has taken its first negative year coming to the end of this year, unless something massively happens here in the next 6 days. But it's just wild to sort of see this, dude. Yeah, and it's kind of wild, and I don't know what to say. It just kind of sucks to see it. I'll admit that. So, trying to be optimistic. We've hit levels that we never thought we would hit. We've seen red days that we never thought we would see. We've seen liquidity issues. We've seen all these kind of things. But what's crazy is you actually start to come in and look at this. And BTC and ETH ETF net flows turned negative since early November. So as you guys can see, November was kind of like going into like October into November. We started to see massive outflows sell-offs from our ETFs. And I told you guys ETFs are going to rule the space, and they are ruling the space. And but what this is telling us is that anytime that we actually have a massive amount leaving, realize that a lot of it is going to come back into the markets. You can see this back over with BTC and ETH. Last time we had massive sell-offs here back in April, we came in and flooded right back in. Same over here with ETH. And so realize that we're hitting levels that we didn't hit even back over in the tariff war of 2025 in April here. Now we're going to start to see this come back. And so we're hitting levels that we haven't seen. So I do think that like this is going to eventually, this can't stay red forever. It's not going to stay red forever. It just won't. But unfortunately, you do have, on BlackRock out here today moving roughly almost $200 million worth of Bitcoin and almost $30 million worth of ETH to Coinbase. And so, anytime they start to offload these things, it tends to cause panic and people end up selling. And so that's what we're starting to see here. And like I said, hopefully we start to see an uptrend in here. I mean, we can go back and look at we can see where these fundamentals are here. 4 hours, 4 hours at the bottom for a lot of these, which means to me, like I said, the 4 hour doesn't lie a whole lot. To me, like I'm obviously in. You guys saw that. I'm in on my leveraging. I'm hoping that these things are going to rally back up. Same with Solana. I mean, you got Bitcoin at the bottom on the 4 hour. You got ETH at the bottom on the 4 hour. You got XRP at the bottom on the 4 hour. Everything's at the bottom on the 4 hour here. The day chart's halfway up. I mean, usually we come at least extend to the 80% mark before we fall back down. I mean, there are occasions where we come back up here and we come back down. So these are on there. These are on the table right here. These little ups and downs right here. But we'll see what happens. We'll honestly see what happens here. I don't know what to say. I just hope that we actually extend back up into the 80 for the Santa rally and all things are good, dude. Do you know when Sentinel they're going to release the contract address? Good. I don't know when they're going to, bro. Hard to see your XCL and Cent end up totaling $1 million or so and not touch it. Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Not a good chart to look at when you talk to people into buying crypto. Yeah, definitely not. This is one of those charts you did not want to share at Thanksgiving. You probably don't want to share at even at Christmas. XCL market cap was 36 million. That's less than 10x for Cent. Don't expect XCL pump and take profits accordingly. Do what's best for you. Yeah, you always do what's best for you, dude. I mean, manipulate so the big players can buy low on adoption. Probably true, dude. We got Dang, dude. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team, Dang. Welcome, my friend. And yeah, make sure you jump up in that Discord. When does the Santa rally usually start to pump? Usually it's 5 days. I mean, technically it's 5 days after Christmas. Or would it say 5 days following Christmas, and then usually into January we start to see some as well. You got to realize people are going to be selling some assets here at the end of the year. They always do. So going into next week is going to be interesting to sort of see how the markets react because people do sell assets, man. They're going to harvest returns and do whatever they need to do to have write-offs. And I mean, that's just kind of how the ball rolls, So it's going to be a wild ride coming to the end of the year. But you can see there's definitely mixed results here on where this is going. Bitcoin obviously really flat across the board here, but trying to make a comeback here, 87,405. So yeah, just so crazy when you're looking at where these things are going here. I showed this before that gold rallies first, then Bitcoin rallies harder. And as you guys know, gold is on a tear. Gold is reaching all-time highs. Gold is absolutely killing it. Silver is killing it right now. Typically, Bitcoin flows after we reach the top of gold, and maybe we haven't reached the top of gold yet. You know what I mean? And so until that happens, we're going to probably be a little bit sideways, dude. I got a whole bunch of my friends and family in 2025. None of them have sent me a Christmas card. How much of you move Sentinel to Uniswap? Can it only be done after launch? Yeah, it's after launch, Inez. Yeah, you got to wait for the smart contract, and then you can sell at that point when it launches. Right here, taker buyers are slowly starting to overpower taker sellers. This is a sign of bullish momentum building. Yes, you can actually see right here. This is through the years right now. You got net taker volume, so people that are actually profiting off this. And then you got net taker volume for the positive side, which is usually during the bear side of it. And you actually see right here that when we're peaking right here, we're actually taking out some of these. And so we're hopefully flipping the script here, and we start to actually go the other way. And so it's kind of we'll see what happens here. I mean, I think that we have some positivity. Everything's hitting levels that we didn't think that we were going to actually see here. Even from an RSI standpoint, even from the weeklies and everything right here. The last time Bitcoin's MACD was this oversold was near the bottom of the bear market of 2023. You can see, or 2022. You can see back over here we came and dropped down at levels over here, which is roughly about 40. What was it? Roughly about 4,815 negative 4,800. And I mean, we're at that level right now. And so we're at levels that we saw in the last bear market for the MACD, for RSI, for a lot of things. And so this is what makes me feel confident going into 2026 is that we're experiencing bear market levels right now in front of us. And so I know some people don't think so. Some people think that like we have more to go, but we've already hit some max pain in some certain areas. So invert any chart and also ask yourself where the trend is going. It's very eye opening. I think, yeah. I mean, me personally, I think the trend's going in the right way. That's just me personally, though, right? We all have our own take on it and stuff like that. So, but yeah, like I said, shout out to Sentinel right now, almost a 3.8 million raise, which is just crazy. This thing just keeps going up, dude. 5 hours left in the pre-sale. Crazy to see this, dude. I mean, Acceler raised what, 850,000, 870,000. This thing is literally what, almost 5x that, dude. That's crazy. Which wallet will Cent be available on? You could do it in anything that's Ethereum based, right? It's going to be Ethereum. Let's break that 6. Let's freaking go. I mean, it's almost there, dude. 5682 for Acceler, right? I mean, it's doing some pretty good numbers right now. Up 48% on the day. Ranked 15. I was looking at Dex Screener. Dex Screener has it ranked number 9, up 49% over here. Yeah. And it's doing good numbers, you know what I mean? Like, let's go to the day chart here. I mean, that's pretty crazy to look at. I mean, it's trying to make a little bit of a comeback here. I mean, obviously it went through a massive rally here and when it first launched, came back down, reset. Now it's starting to build up based off of fundamentals. And I hope that this continues to rally forward, you know what I mean? And I think a lot of people are excited to sort of see how it goes. Let's see here on the 4-hour chart. Which wallet will Cent be available? Yeah, I said that already. Christmas bonus, should I stack XCL or BTC? That's up to you, John. I don't know, man. I couldn't tell you where to spend your Christmas bonus, bro. That's a hard thing to tell. But you can see right here, liquidations. The last hour, we actually had more shorts getting liquidated than longs last hour. But you can see over here that longs still are getting dominated on the 4-hour. They're getting dominated on the 12-hour, and they're definitely getting dominated on the 24. But it's slowing down. This ratio is actually getting smaller and smaller. There's less leveraging in the market right now for basically liquidations to happen. So that's probably a positive sign that there's less people in the markets, putting money out there and getting liquidated. So that could be a positive thing. Dead cap bounce for XCL. Tell me where to spend my EBT. You're crazy. Do you invest in ETFs like blocks? And I do not, Pablo. Austin, not auto, flipping auto, correct? Oh, what did you say, Jen? Deb, I might have missed it. Hit that like button for Austin here stream. Oh yeah, definitely hit that like button. I appreciate you, Jesse. Hit that like button, subscribe, do everything. It's free to do. Feel free to hit that. We'll be doing a giveaway here probably in about 20 minutes or so. We'll do another giveaway here. How do I buy Monero the right way? You could probably buy Monero. I think you could buy Monero on Coinbase, right? Isn't Monero on Coinbase? I haven't bought Monero, but I think you could buy Monero on Coinbase. I could be wrong, though. Let's see. I think you could buy Monero. I think you could buy Zcash. I think you can buy all those things. Monero. Yeah, you can. Looks like you can buy Monero on Coinbase right now. Oh no, you can't, dude. That's crazy. You can't buy Monero. The number 14th ranked asset in the world you cannot buy on Coinbase. That is crazy, dude. What the hell? Okay, let's go to Monero. You can go to Monero. What you do is just go to Monero, and then you can see over here they have their exchanges. So just go down and you can see what exchanges are. So you can buy it on KuCoin, MEXC, Kraken. So those are their big ones out here. And if you want to buy it on the DEX side, I don't even know if they have a DEX. Yeah, I don't even know if you can actually purchase it on a DEX side. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, so those are your exchanges you can actually buy it on if you wanted to. Update on the girls' soccer. Yeah, dude, they won the championships this last weekend. They had a tournament and they won. They beat their competition pretty good. I think their first game was like 8-1, second game was like 6-1. Third game was 4-0, and championship game was 4-0. So yeah, they put the work in, man. Yeah, I was just posted on their Instagram and stuff. Some of their clips and stuff from this weekend. Some of this training that they were doing, and yeah, it actually got a lot of views. I was kind of shocked. Lexi, yeah, she got like over 5,000 views on her little her move. She created a nice little move. You guys want to see her nice little move? She created her own. She created her own rendition of it, right? It's not. It's like she created her own little thing. I'll share it with you guys, but we've been working on it, and I can't wait till she actually puts it on a move on someone out there on the soccer field. But yeah, it'll be pretty. It's pretty cool, dude. All right, say hi. Yeah, here I'll play it for you real quick. Let me turn down the volume so it's not blasting everyone's ears because there's music to it. But here's the move right here. She gets the ball, and then she does a little step over there. She's got one girl in practice on it. She's only done it for a couple times on some girls, but yeah, it's like a nice little. You do like a little karaoke type step, boom, step over, and then you come across, and then you bring it back. And she's got one girl in practice pretty good on it. She doesn't do it too often. We've been still trying to perfect it, but it's her little rendition that she's created here, a little step over. Look at that. And then that right there, that usually gets a lot of the girls, that little step over, that hard step over right there. And they usually fall for that pretty good. So yeah, I can't wait till she puts that on display. I can't wait till she puts that on display. So in like a tournament or a game. Hey, caught the live. What's up, Kai? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, buddy. To consider for a Santa drawing an A-team here, you must like the stream. That'd be awesome if I could actually do that, dude. Yeah. When XCL gonna be on BTCC? That's a good question. I have no idea, dude. When do you think claim tokens is available on Cent? I can't remember how long it was for XCL. I think it was almost 24 to 48 hours, right? Didn't they launch like exactly at 48 hours in? So yeah, Sentinel, I mean, when this pre-sale ends, I mean, I hope that they say something, right? I mean, I think a lot of people are waiting to sort of see, like, is this going to be, 12 to 24 to 48 hours, like Acceler? Like, what's the plan? I mean, I think a lot of us are anticipating that. Nice. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah. I tried to buy ETH from MetaMask. My bank account says pending, but I didn't receive the ETH and don't see it in an Etherscan. So this ever happened to you, bro? It never happened to me, dude. I've never bought ETH on a wallet. I've never done it inside of a wallet, dude. Yeah, 24 to 48 hours. Okay, there we go, dude. Anthony Hawkins, dude. Merry Christmas to you as well, man. You and your family. I'm 50. I'm 50 to my 5 months to my 70th birthday. Wow, dude, that's badass. 70th birthday. That's awesome, dude. You're probably enjoying the nice sun down there, hanging out in Florida. Iron Lux, what's up, buddy? What's up, bud? Good to see you, man. Yeah, Jeffrey Mix in the house here too. What's going on, bud? That's hard. That's hard to do in real life. You're talking about my daughter's footwork. Is that what you're talking about, F. Joe? The her step her yeah, it's pretty good, dude. I mean, like, she's been working on it, and yeah, she got some moves, man. Yeah, it's a nice little. I can't wait till she actually does it on someone in a game, dude. I can be like, oh, just got my Discord working. Hell yeah, dude. Merry Christmas to you, Next Wave. Who else excited and scared? I'm excited and scared too, Observer. I need to win some ETH so I can buy some Cent. Hell yeah. I do that step over after a few sure. Thank you for the membership. Hell yeah, dude. That's cool. Ironlux got a membership, man. Luckily snow melted yesterday and can't shovel much. Okay. Merry Christmas to you too, Pedro. Yeah, dude, this thing's about to break $3.8 million on a pre-sale, which is crazy. XCL continues to climb 5.7. Damn, this thing is climbing still, dude. 5.775. Dude, I mean, there's gonna be massive burns coming in here. This thing is Exceller is on fire right now, dude. I mean, it's just crazy. All the people that dogged it, like, it kind of makes me not dogged it, like, some people are skeptical. I get there's skepticism to a project. Like, I get that. Like, I'm totally on board with that. But then to continue to dog it even afterwards and wanting it to fail, it's kind of crazy. But it's hung in there, man, and it's doing really well right now. And it's nice to see the comeback here. Anyone that bought in, even at the low, is prospering right now. Is up roughly probably 200-300% on their investment right now, which is crazy. 75 here on Christmas Eve. So much snow. So much for a snowy white Christmas. Gosh, dang, that's crazy. Where are you at, Gooch? 589 giveaway is XRP. One winner only. Now we watch the multi grow. Yeah. Manipulation ruined the 2025 bull run. Kind of feels like Texas. Oh, okay. It's 75 in Texas. That's pretty crazy, dude. That's pretty nice though. 75 degrees would be so nice. Just sit outside, like on your back porch, grill up some freaking steaks, have the TV on. It's been on the hot 20s all week. Yeah, it's been cold here. It's been super windy and cold here. It'd be weird if it didn't pump on the day of launch in the ecosystem. That would be kind of weird. I would agree with you, Joe. That would be kind of a weird deal, right? If it just sat and did nothing. That would be true. New yearly candle going to rip after all the 2025 manipulation. Kind of feels that way. SoCal taking on serious rain right now. I heard that one. I heard it was coming down pretty good. We're going to have a rainstorm. We're going to have a windstorm here tonight. We might lose power. They're saying we're going to get like 75-mile-an-hour winds tonight. I'm like, really, dude? Like, I don't want to deal with 75-mile-an-hour winds. Like, we just got windy, dude. We're almost to a 400 million in liquidity, or 400,000 in liquidity, back to a $5.4 million market cap. That's pretty good, dude. Gosh dang. Okay, I bought some scent. I really need to almost 3x badly. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Are you going to buy more scent before pre-sale's over? I'm going to try to, yo Faustino. I'm going to definitely try to. Yeah, I'll probably allocate a couple more $1,000 to it, which I said I think I was going to do. Try to get back into the top 10 of the or top 20. I forgot. I fell out. I'm in the top 20. I'm not even in the top 20 anymore, dude. That's how crazy that's gone, dude. All right, so my longs are back in the positive right here. Solana, my ETH is at 0. My Solana is up $120. My XRP is at 26, and my H bar is down $79. So we're kind of conflicted right now. I think a lot of confusion across the board here on all this stuff. Let's see where my assets are. And let's see. Let's go. Where's the transfer? Okay, cool. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens here. I'm gonna buy more scent if I get my ETH. Yeah, I know. That kind of sucks to get caught up on the east side, dude. Stop sending friend requests, fake Austins. I know. Be careful. I don't send friend requests to anyone unless I'm giving you money. The mini fan videos pop up from time to time when I try to like and comment and help. I just leave an emoji. I appreciate you, Kai. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting my daughter's YouTubes. I appreciate that. Might be institutional tax losses taken and pump maybe next year is what I expect to be crypto-friendly tax laws. They usually have inside info. It's probably true. Yeah, we got another big storm and floods here in Northern California. Gosh dang, dude. Oh my God, here in the Sata bunker with my girl Pelosi. What's up, Seiko? We got Seiko Hunt in the house here. What's up, my guy? Tim posts the Discord link. The Discord link is in the in my description box. Ironlocks. God, these go. There goes my percentage. Do a giveaway for the mods, bro. I should do a giveaway for the mods. I don't know how to do that. I don't know. I guess I could probably. I'll have to have like fan like create something for the mods, like create like a little thing for the mods. I'm sure there's probably like I can have my son create like a little spinning thing and put each of my mods' names on there. I don't have that many mods, and then I'll have him create something like that. Maybe I'll do something like that. So those news Austin sending me aren't real. Spin a wheel. That's what I was gonna do. To spin a wheel. Identify as a mod. That's funny, dude. That's actually pretty funny. I identify as a mod. That's hilarious. Any influencer promoting leverage or pre-sales in the current market need to stay away from. All right, Rifleman, just do your thing, dude. You know, his suggestions have made me money, but that's just me. Yeah, I mean, what's up, Billion Right? I haven't seen Billion Right for a minute, dude. Hope all is well, dude. Dude, did you just have a baby, bro? Did you have your baby, man? I know you said you were last time I spoke to you, dude. You said you were your girl was pregnant. Did you have your baby, man? Dude, you can Rifleman. You can short and long the markets anytime, man. And there's no. I'm not promoting it. We're just talking about it, dude. You know I be lurking. I know, bro. I appreciate you saying something, dude. There's no promotions. We're just talking about crypto. No, she's still pregnant sometime beginning of summer. Oh, summer prime. Okay, bro. Hell yeah. I'm excited for you, man. Hope all is well. Hope her pregnancy is going good too, dude. So that wasn't you wanting me to XRP and double it. I know those are crazy back in 2025, the early days of 2025. When the Brad Garland house videos were popping up all over the place. It was so crazy that they were even allowing it too. Like YouTube was doing nothing to take those off. And it's like, if you click here, you can double your money. Austin sent you all my ETH so you can invest it for me. Thank you. That's so funny. Send me your XRP and I'll double it for you. Those are such crazy videos. I'm just a member, but I appreciate the love you give back to the community. I appreciate that, Planet Gravitate. Thank you, man. My wife's due March 1st. Hell yeah, Midwest Reef. That's badass. And that is badass, dude. That was wild. Yeah, that was wild. Super wild. I doubt he had a baby unless he is. He didn't know. I don't think Billion. I don't see Billion Wright as being liberal. Sent you all my. That's funny. Do something on my ETH. Merry Christmas to everyone. You too, More Monkey. Mine's late May, early June. My birthday's May, man. My birthday's late May, dude. So I'm on board with you, man. Get that Gemini, baby. No, I'm Republican as it comes. Yeah, I figured that. Billion, right? My hand should be. Oh my God, Kai. Crazy how blatant scams can be. They're so blatant, and then like the people that like aren't trying to scam, they get in trouble, and the people that are, they're like, hey, no big deal. No big deal. Austin sent 5,000 XRP to your awesome Austin and haven't got my. Yeah, right. Your birthday is tomorrow, Observer dude. Your birthday is tomorrow on Christmas. Oh my gosh, I've always said like my brother's was super. My stepbrother, his birthday was yesterday on the 23rd, and he hated it being so close to his birthday. Austin, I'm May 29th. Oh damn, May 29th, bro. That's awesome. You are a Gemini. You are a Gemini guy. You are a Gemini, dude. Best birthdays to have is around those times because it's right during Memorial Day. It's right during the Memorial Day weekend. So, yeah, that's awesome. May 29th, buddy. I'm May 1st. Oh, you May Day. Then what are you, May Day? Oh, dude, that's right. I didn't see that. That's right. Thank you for reminding me. Dave's dog Zoe, thanks so much for the $50 bomb, bro. Gosh dang, man. Merry Christmas. Thanks for all your shows in 25. Oh, I appreciate you. I appreciate you just showing up, man. And Merry Christmas to you as well and your family. And, honestly, wish nothing but the best for you guys. And, may all your dreams come true. And, yeah, you guys are awesome. The A-Team, I'm so glad to be here with you guys. It was a great year of streaming, honestly. We had our ups, we had our downs. It's been fun, and I hope 2026 is 10 times better. That's honestly all I hope for. Merry Christmas to you. Yeah, you too, man. Had to come to the YouTube side. It's good to see Billion right here on the YouTube side, man. I wish everyone the best New Year. I hope everyone hits their goals. Me too. Yeah, I hope so too, man. Ian, I'm with you on that. There's a video before I do my giveaway here. I want to share a video with you. I shared it with my kids, but I think it's important to share this video with you guys because I think it brings perspective in just life in general. And maybe some of you have seen this video already, maybe you haven't, but I think it just brings really good perspective into life. And since we're in Christmas, we're with family, it just shows you the importance of family, and it just puts life into perspective for you. And like I said, I just think it's a really good video to help like visualize what's important in life. And that's all I can really say is just visualize what's important in life. And so I want to share this with you guys and take it for what it is. Take it for what it is. Maybe this will be, I don't know if some of you guys might have seen this video. Some of you might have not seen this video, but I do think it's an important one. So I'm going to actually stop sharing my screen here real quick. Let's go to here so you guys can hear the audio. I'm going to stop talking so you guys can hear it. And then here we go. So, all right. Let's present it. And all right, let's listen in on it. Here we go. I'll not say anything so that my audio doesn't get all messed up. Let me know if you guys.
The dots on this screen represent an adult life in months, assuming a life expectancy of 90. So if you're 18 years old right now, this is an optimistic estimate of the months that you have left. Take a second to take that in. Probably not as many as you would expect. And I'm sorry to say that it does get worse because about a third of that time is going to be spent sleeping. On average, 126 of those months will go to school and your career. About 18 will be spent driving, 36 cooking and eating, 36 doing chores and errands, and about 27 in the bathroom and taking care of personal hygiene. So that leaves you with 334 months. This is where you pursue your passions and travel the world and leave your mark. How you spend this time is going to determine the quality of your life. So take a second and ask yourself, what do you want to do with that free time? Now, I would be willing to bet that scrolling through TikTok, binge watching Netflix, and playing video games probably did not come to mind. But today, the average 18-year-old in the United States is on pace to spend 93% of their remaining free time looking at a screen. Imagine getting to the age of 90, seeing this visualization of how you spent all your time after the age of 18, and thinking about all the things you could have done that you did not do because you got distracted.
I mean, it's just crazy when you start to put that into perspective, dude. Like just think about all this stuff. Look at that, dude. That only leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Leaves you 2 years left, dude. 2 years left, dude. After all the bullshit in life, sleep, work, school, cooking, eating, bathroom. And then a majority of the people will go back, they'll watch TV, they'll watch their sports, they'll watch Netflix, they'll be on YouTube, they'll do all these things. And it only leaves 2 years left of your life that you actually had free time, that you went and did something impactful. Were with your family, on vacations, spending quality time with your family. And it just puts into perspective, dude. Like I said, I think it's important to share these things because, I know a lot of people, especially here on my channel, I can appreciate you guys a ton because a lot of you realize how much energy I put into my family. And I could probably put more, dude. I could put even more energy into my family. There's times where I catch myself, on YouTube, or I catch myself watching a football game, or catch myself doing things, and I'm like, we could be doing something else than sitting here watching Netflix or whatever it might be. And this is just a really good perspective that, and again, this is assuming that you live this long, right? We don't know when our time's up. We don't know when our creator is going to call us back. We don't know when that happens. We don't. You know what I mean? And so the time that we have here on earth is so valuable, dude. So it's so important to go out there and touch grass. So important for you to go out there and enjoy time with your family, not stress over crypto and not stress over all the ups and downs and the bullshit that it comes with. And just realize that what's really important in life here, and that's time, dude. Time is the most important thing. Time is the only thing you can never get back. That's really what it comes down to. And it's just so important. And so going into Christmas and into the holiday season here, I saw this come on and I was like, you know what? I always preach to you guys about the importance of touching grass, the importance of like not getting consumed with all the bullshit that's out there when it comes to crypto, and to get into the daily weeds of it all. And I just wanted to share this with you. It was impactful for me, so I wanted to make it impactful for you. And so there you go, dude. I hope everyone takes it for what it is. You guys can have your own thoughts on it, but I just want to share that with you and give you my 2 cents on it, because I think it's important. I think it's important to always push that narrative here on this channel, is that family and everything else comes first. All this other stuff comes second. My doctor pulled out a tape measure, pulled it at about 75. I'm 61 years old. He was like, this is how much time you have left. What do you do with it? Yeah, that's crazy to think, right, man? That's a crazy thing to think about, And I was thinking about that with my grandma too, I was thinking about that with my grandma. We only see her once a year. And I'm like, dude, that means I'm only going to see her like 2 or 3 more times before she's probably gone. Maybe at the most, maybe one or 2 more times I'll be able to see her, and when you put it into perspective like that, it's kind of makes you, you get a little caught up. Enjoy the A team in Q1 this year. I've learned so much from you, Austin. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you texting me, Randy, dude. Chase and catch that dream. The only thing you take with you when you die is regret. Oh, that's so true, dude. That's a powerful statement, dude. Austin's beard is getting sucked in by his mic. Don't tell fan. Stupid. Started watching Austin around this time last year, and boy, the journey has been wild. It has been wild, dude. And I appreciate you guys being here, dude. Both my grandmas died while I was in prison. Oh man, that's a tough one. F. Joe. Damn. The Bible mentions the expression "everlasting life" over 40 times. Yeah, no, I get the Psalms 37:29. Yeah, I get all that. And Yeah, it'll be interesting to sort of see. But I mean, like, we don't know what happens after this. I mean, we really. I mean, some people might feel that they do, but did I miss any more Christmas presents? No. Turning 39 on Saturday last year in my 30s. Damn, bro. Yeah, I'll be turning 40 this year, guys. I'll be turning 40 this year. Going into 2026, I'll be turning 40 years old, man. Hitting the 40. Kind of crazy to say that. Yeah. Let this be a good Christmas. I need to win the giveaway today, Austin. All right, or hey, we'll see what we can do about that. Lessons learned, yeah, 100%. Member for 1.5 years today. Hell yeah, Adam. I gotta actually switch that out. I gotta create some more badges, dude. But okay, let's jump into. We're going to the end of the stream here. Let's get this StreamYard picker going here, so we can get the giveaway out here. Again, to enter into this giveaway, you got to be a member of the A team. You got to be in my Discord as a verified member here. And we're gonna go. What's gonna be the hashtag today? It's gonna be. I want to make it. We're gonna do. There we go. That is the giveaway. Anyone can enter. Let me get my. Actually, I'm gonna back out of that. Let's go customization. All right. Let's see. I don't know. I might have had some people enter it. Let's see. Let's see who entered it. Okay, cool. Members only entered it. Good deal. Oh no, you're good. What'd you say, Stand-Up? I don't know what you said, dude. MQ, thanks so much for being a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. Appreciate you ton, dude. Also, take care of your health. More valuable than money. That's true, dude. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. So, yeah, there we go. We got 55 entries so far. It's just members only can chat here in the thing. We got MK in the house here. What's up, MK? Good to see you, buddy. Who else we got? Start over. No, there was no one actually entered. No, it was all members that entered the hashtag. So we're good there. Went back and looked. So yeah, we got everyone in here, dude. Deb, you spelled wrong. Yeah, make sure you get Xmas in there correctly. I think yesterday we had 80, 89, I think was our max, right? 89, I think was the max on here. So yeah, this will be the last giveaway before Christmas. Well, I mean, I might come on tonight. We'll see. I don't know. Everyone will be with family. I might not come on tonight. Actually, we'll all be with family. So that'd be kind of crazy coming on midway through. But yeah, as you guys know, Sentinel's coming down to the end of the wire here, almost to 3.8 million. Oh, dude, it is. It just went over. It's at 3.822 million. Holy crap, bro. 3.822 million. Gosh, dang, this thing is almost 5 hours left, dude. 5 hours, 9 minutes. This thing has a chance to definitely hit 4 million, which would be insane. Oh my gosh. Exceller over here doing phenomenal too. Almost back up to 6 cents right now, dude. Literally up 53% on the day. Up about almost a 5x. I was just looking at my bag earlier. My bag has grown exponentially overnight. It's up to Exceller's up to 121, dude. So I'm up $100,000. You know what I mean? Up $101,000 on this project. Like, this project has been phenomenal, dude. Like, I mean, just today alone, I'm up $43,000. Like, that's a crazy thing to say. You know what I mean? Like, what a crazy thing to say. XCL has been holding it down, man. XCL, Cent are going to be. I honestly feel these could be the projects of 2026. They're coming up. Exceller launched in the worst time possible. Government shutdown October 1st, and look what it's been able to do since then, dude. It's been phenomenal. Built off fundamentals, created a community, and that community is strong. So right now we're at 83. I'll give it about another 2 minutes here, and then we'll go. Man, I had a hard time not cashing some. Yeah, I think there's more. Over 60%. Over 60% of Cent presale was sold. That's pretty crazy to think, right, JM? 60% of the presale was sold already. Is that really what it is? That is crazy, bro. I guess I should look at the dashboard. Is it 60% has been sold already? Dude, you're right. 60.22%. So 3 billion. 3 billion tokens out of 5 billion have been sold, dude. That means that is crazy, dude. That is crazy. Yeah, that is pretty badass to see, dude. Wow. That's cool, man. I have a hard time. Yeah, no, I get you, bro. Remember worrying about XCL launching during the government shutdown? Yeah, that was stressful. Worst time possible, right? Have a good night. I lost my membership because I stopped paying all subscriptions. Thanks. Oh no, you're good, Billion, right? I appreciate it, man. Keep it real, hustling one every day. You too, man. Appreciate you, my guy. Always showing up and showing out. Billion, right? A Merry Christmas to you. What is the biggest wallet again at now? He's probably double me. I mean, he's got to be 200,000 or so. Something like that. Something like that. XCL will be Coinbase by the end of January. That'd be crazy, dude. If it gets out, dude, if this gets back up to, probably like 1 or 2, if this gets back up to like 2 cents, I can see Acceler probably doing phenomenal to get onto some of these bigger exchanges for sure. Now that it's been out here, the longevity, I think with Sentinel pushing money through the protocol, Burns coming in, activating it, bringing up the chart. I think this actually has a good chance to do that, dude. How do you connect your YouTube? You just got to connect. You got to go to Discord and connect it. But let's go here. We got 86. I'm going to give about 1 more minute and we're going to rock and roll. Okay. Wendell, thanks so much for the $5 super chat here. XCL Mafia strong. Just remember, the stronger the community, the stronger the network. Oh, dude, I forgot to play the video. Dude, that video came out last night. You're right, dude. Someone added me last night in it, and I watched it this morning. Shit, I totally forgot about that video, dude. That video was crazy. That video was awesome, dude. Let's play that video real quick, and then I'll jump in. This video right here, dude. They put out this video last night, and I don't know if you guys watched it, but this video hit, bro. I watched it this morning. This video hit, dude. So thanks again, Wendell, for bringing that up. I totally forgot. Let's play this real quick. Let me get my. I hate that StreamYard does this real quick. Let me stop screen. Okay, here we go. All right. Now you guys can hear it. Here we go. We're gonna play it, and then after this, we'll make the drawing. It's about a minute 32, but it's pretty bad. I liked it, dude. It was good. I love that. Oh, has there been no sound? Oh shit, that's crazy. How's there no sound? So this whole time we're watching this, and there's been no sound. Oh my god, dude. All right. Well, at least you can read the subtitles. That's crazy. It's weird that I put it on the tab. That's weird. Yeah, I put the tab on, dude. That's crazy. The whole time, the minute 32 is just me sitting here. Austin noises are hilarious. Yeah, I'm just that's crazy. Damn. See, I hate that. I hate StreamYard, dude. StreamYard bugs the hell out of me sometimes. Let's see. Share screen. Share. Oh, that's why, dude. I did the damn it. How annoying is that? That's what I did. I messed up the wrong thing. That's why they messed it all up, dude. All right. We'll go through again.
Is your transaction
Here we go.
real?
Oh shit.
Our mission is to eliminate the
I know,
friction
Ashley.
and limitations of public blockchains. Next 7 changes that. A privacy-first protocol built for the decentralized future. With zero knowledge cryptography. Transactions are proven without revealing the data. No surveillance. Just pure, secure transactions. Built to be decentralized. Designed to protect users, not expose them. Privacy is not a feature. It's a right. The stronger the community, the stronger the network. Join the network. Activate Sentinel cells. Strengthen X Seller. Take control of your transactions. Welcome to X Seller.
All right. Well, hope you guys heard that one. It's a good clip, dude. It's a really, really good clip. I gotta say, I was pretty impressed by it. I was very happy. I was like, okay, good deal there. So there we go. I shared it now. That was super lame that I waited the whole hour for that to go through. Oh shit. Sorry, I got to do this thing on TikTok real quick here. There we go. All right, let's go back to it, dude. Let's share the screen back. We got the giveaway here. We got roughly 93 people. Okay, the drawing's going to happen in... I wonder if Matrix will copyright Scent. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Matt, thanks so much for becoming thanks for being a member for 11 months, bro. You the man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you a ton for being a member for 11 months, dude. Let me go to my SafePal here. Make sure I have my funds in here for you. There we go. Cool. All right. Merry Christmas to all of you and to all a good night. Yeah, Merry Christmas. We got 95 people in the drawing here. I'm going to draw right now. Good luck to everyone. Merry Christmas to you all. Here we go. Good luck. And who's it going to be? Stan the Man. Stan the Man. What's up, my guy? We got Stan the Man. You just won yourself a merry little Christmas. Yeah, dude, you just won $500, Stan. Hit me up we've actually talked in Discord, so but hit me up again in Discord with your ETH address. I already know you, bro. We don't have to go through the whole thing. Just hit me up with send me your ETH address in a DM. Actually, touch with. Let's see. I think I have you. I think I've talked. Let's see. Where are you at, bro? We haven't talked in a minute in here. Stand a man. There you are, dude. I see you. Send me your ETH, bro. ETH address. I just sent you a DM. Stan the Man, unless he's not here anymore. Unless Stan left. Is Stan gone? Are you still here, Stan? Where you at, Stan? Will do. He just texted me that. He said, will do. Send me your ETH address, Stan. You just won a $500 giveaway. Merry Christmas to you, my guy. Appreciate you for holding it down. I'm here. Hell yeah, you're here. There you are, bro. Send me your ETH address, man. We'll get this rocking and rolling, dude. Ian, been here for 12 months, dude. Finally hit that year. Been an absolute pleasure. Oh, appreciate you, dude. F yeah, Stan. Get that big bag. That's what Billion Right just said over on X side, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Congratulations. And they always say congratulations. But yeah, Ian, that's amazing, dude. 12 months here. Appreciate that, dude. Ton. Stan, always the man. All right. When you send me your ETH address, bro, I'll send you over your $500. And that was fun, man. It's fun, dude. Congrats. Congratulations, dude. And like I said, hope everyone has a fantastic Christmas Eve. Kicking it with your family, hanging out. Sentinel's on a tear right now. I'm literally blown away by what this has been able to accomplish now. XCL is on a warpath right now to get back to 6. Cool to see this stuff come together now. Honestly, like super, super cool. We'll see what happens here. Stan's tea's gone cold and he wonders why. Texas me, right? I've been here for 9 months. Yeah, that's crazy too. I love it. Absolutely love it, man. That's phenomenal. I hope you have a great Christmas as well. Yeah, I will, Matt. Appreciate you. But yeah, go touch that grass. Go spend time with your family. It's Christmas Eve. Enjoy it. Please be safe out there. Do not drink and drive. Make sure you have an Uber or buy a Tesla so it can drive you home. Something. But I want to see you guys back here, on the 26th. On the 26th. And we'll see what happens. But like I said, love you guys a ton. appreciate each and every one of you guys for just being here, like I've always said. And I couldn't be more appreciative of you guys. And so thank you so much. Merry Christmas. We got Crypto Cod coming here for 11 months, dude. Thank you, man. 11 months. That's crazy. All you guys coming here with this. Go get in your video barefoot in the sun. Oh, I wish I can go get in the sun, dude. That'd be amazing right now. Getting the nice little sun. But yeah, throw some dudes up in the chat for me. We're going to be hopping out of here. Love you guys. We're out. Merry Christmas. Peace out, everyone.